primarily work in watercolor paints, but I almost always incorporate some mixed media elements as well. And one of my very favorite art materials to use is water-soluble pencils, particularly in combination with the watercolor paints. My name is Jocelyn Benford, and I'm an abstract artist from Brooklyn, New York, in the United States. So in this course, there will be 3 separate parts. In the first part, we will just dive right in and we will practice some techniques, practicing a dry on wet technique and a wet on dry technique. Then we're going to move into a sketchbook, and we will be using the water-soluble pencils and watercolors in combination to create an abstract botanical. And then lastly, we will move on to a larger sheet of watercolor paper, and once again we'll do an abstract botanical using the water-soluble pencils, watercolors, and a few other mixed media tools that I really enjoy using. So my hope is that this will inspire you to go off and play and practice and incorporate these water-soluble pencils into your own work. So let's get started.